baby Eliza. She's in the swing that Grandma bought her. And she loves the animals on the mobile. She just stares and stares. Mommy had to go to work today. So it's just Aunt Amanda and Eliza all day. Isn't that right, baby? Isn't that right, baby? What do you see? What do you see? Get him. Get him, Eliza. Oh. Say thank you, Grandma, for my swing. I love it. Yay. Kick them legs. Kick them legs. Look at that happy girl. Look at that happy girl. Say see you later.